It's 2025. I am covering the top 25 credit repair secrets and hacks nobody is talking about and nobody wants you to know about. Make sure that you have watched all 25 parts in this series. In 25, we are talking about calling in to the credit bureaus. It sounds simple, but people overcomplicate it. And let me tell you guys, there is a million ways to do something, right? But sometimes you have to think outside of the box. And in this case, we have to think, how can we get in touch with a live representative? Sometimes it might seem impossible getting through their phone system and being told there's nobody to take your call. Unless, of course, you're a customer. Now, when we're calling into the credit bureaus, we're not a customer, we're simply a consumer. They don't want to help us because we're not a paying customer. Sometimes you have to be a customer in order to get service from Experian, Equifax, and Transunion. And I know it might sound crazy, but even if you aren't a customer, call into their customer service phone number and then ask to be transferred to the fraud department. That's the easiest way to get a representative over the phone. Because guess what? When you're a customer, they have customer service for your products or your service. And even when you don't need to speak with them, they have the ability to transfer you to the department that can handle your claim. Hey, I'm a customer. I need you to speak. I need you to transfer me to the fraud department because I'm having an issue with my accounts with you guys. It's as simple as that. Now, when you call in and you have verified that you are in fact in the fraud department, you're going to want to dispute anywhere between 2 to 3 items per phone call. All right. And again, you're calling in as if you are a customer being transferred to the fraud department, verifying you are in the fraud department, and then going into your spiel about how you have unauthorized or unknown account information or account inquiries that are on your credit report that you demand be deleted. Let them know, hey, I didn't authorize this. I have no idea. I just got this notification or I just saw it on my credit report. There might be a moment of silence and that's fine. Don't feel like you have to over-explain yourself. You simply don't. You don't know. I have no idea. I need to get this blocked from my credit. I was doing some research. I understand that everything that is related to a data breach or identity theft must be deleted from my credit within 4 days. And this could be very well from identity theft or a data breach. Essentially the same thing, right? Well, the bottom line is calling in can get you the results that much quicker. In fact, I had a credit community member who had multiple bankruptcies listed on their credit report when they first joined. And they said, you know what? You inspired me to call and you inspired me to treat this like a job because nobody can fix your credit as well as you can, my friend, but you have to know what to do and how to do it. And I know a phone call might seem like common information, but it might not be so common to all of us. Who would think to call in to customer service and then get transferred to the fraud department? This is not something that they lay out for you. This is not something that everyone wants you to know because they want you to pay them to do it for you. You need to do this yourself. And if you aren't getting anywhere with the credit bureaus, make a complaint with the CFPB. You can call them as well. This is great for those of you that are in the car a lot. You can get on a headset, make phone calls to the credit bureaus, make phone calls to the CFPB, okay? But you have to get this stuff done. I hope that helped. Most importantly, you have to take action, okay? Watch all of the different videos inside of this playlist because I give you a ton of information. I show you guys how to do these things. And of course, join the credit community because you'll have access to this guide along with all of the other playlists that we have previously recorded inside of the community. We've got 2 pages of masterclasses and just value that you guys do not want to miss, all right? I hope that helped. Call in, get those things deleted. This works for anything. Doesn't matter what type of account it is. Unknown, unauthorized, invalid, it's fraudulent. Take action. I'll see you next time, my friend. Take care.